Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be doing two different things in this video. First thing is for BeebeeCrafts. They had sent me some crafts. I wouldn't really say this is a craft though. These are purse straps. So I'm going to be kind of demonstrating this and putting this on this little tiny like makeup purse and just kind of showing you the different colors and the lengths. I'm also going to be drawing a winner for a giveaway that I had for the ice cream beauty video. So let's move on with this. So BeebeeCrafts, get all sorts of crafting supplies, jewelry making kits. I chose for one of the items that they sent to me, purse straps. Figured it's the easiest thing and I needed purse straps. So let's kind of see how long they are. And I've got several different colors. So I did put on some fake lashes today. They're like Halloween, not lashes. These aren't lashes. These are fingernails. Why can't I think? Oh my gosh. It's always, it's just me. But here's the fingernails. They're like Halloween type fingernails. I got these at Walmart. So, but they were cute. All right, so here's the first strap. Now it did come with these things here so I could get them on. So let me see. Now I've got these silly fingernails. I wonder if I'm going to even be able to do this. Let's see. Thought this would be a simple task. Let's see, what am I supposed to do, you guys? See, look, this thing. All right, I'm not thinking. This thing must come off somehow. Is all I can think. Do I pull it off? You don't know. Do I twist it? Maybe I twist it off. Maybe it's a twist off. Or maybe I need some sort of a tool, like a jewelry tool, which would really be awful because I don't have any. I don't have any jewelry tools at all. And I'm thinking that this does need some sort of a jewelry tool because if you see in there, unless I'm just doing something really wrong, I can't seem to figure out how to get this off. You guys, thought I would be able just to whip this out and show you the different straps on the purse, but I can't seem to figure out how to get these on the purse. I don't know. All right, well, maybe one of you know, and you can leave it in the comments down below. I probably need some sort of a jewelry tool. So, yeah, this isn't going very far. I'm supposed to kind of demonstrate how to do it, but I can't even figure it out. But I'll go ahead and show you the straps anyway, so you guys can kind of see how long they are. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to even be able to do that. Let's see. So here's a strap on here. See, I have to hold it. And since I have to hold it, I can't like show you how big it is. Boy, this isn't turning out like I wanted. This strap looks kind of cute with this. It's kind of like a little makeup bag though. It's not really a purse per se, but let me see something. Let me just see something. I think I see. You guys are like, we're 4 minutes in and I haven't even demonstrated this, but I'm curious because when I look at this, it looks like I should be able to open this little clip a little bit and squeeze this in. That's what I'm thinking. What are you thinking? But since I've got these silly fingernails on, I don't know if I can even do that. Oh, look. That is how to do it, you guys. So, darn fingernails. You know, I never wear fake nails. I never even do my nails. And the one time I decide to demonstrate something, I need my fingernails. Of course. So So if you notice, I did get my hair cut for those of you that have watched me before. And yeah, before for a long time, my hair looked uneven to me. And I went back and I got my hair cut by a different person. And now it still looks kind of uneven like this, but it's not. It's just the way my hair curls. Because if you see, well, actually that looks, well, no. So it's actually, I think, the exact same length. This piece I keep pulling out seems a bit longer, but for the front anyway, it is the same length. She even showed me. So it's the way my hair curls up. So if you see my hair and you're like, wow, her hair doesn't look even. Well, that's why. It's not really my hair. I mean, it is my hair. It's not the haircut. So, but, all right, I got it on. I got the little things on because I figured it out. Only took me 5 minutes, you guys. That's a record to figure something out. So, let's go ahead and put these on the purse. I'm not going to be able to do each and every one of these straps, you guys. But here is how long the straps are. So you can kind of see how long it is. Let me pull it back. So you can see how long the strap is. Is it like a crossbody on me? Yeah. So I could actually wear this crossbody on me. So perfectly well. So the straps are, you know, fairly long, and I guess, can they be adjustable? Like if I wanted to put it on a different one, I bet I can. Yeah, I can put it on any one I want. I can take some straps off to make it smaller. So yeah, I guess this is a craft. I was thinking it wasn't a craft, but look at all the things I could do. I could actually like take off some of these because they're just clipped like this. You can kind of see where you, well, not on that one. Well, on all of them, but I wasn't in the right spot. You can kind of see right here the separation, if I can get it. And then you can just kind of take them off. Let me see if I can show you. Do you see? Do you see? Am I close enough to the camera? Oh my gosh. Oh, and one of my fingernails just came off right there. So yeah, my thumbnail just came off. You know, wasn't sure how long these nails would last, but I just did them this morning. So you would think it would last a little bit longer than, like, what time is it now? The afternoon. It's like 12. But these are like the stick-on type and not the glue. So I might want to just glue them down if they're going to keep coming off. But anyway, so that is BeebeeCrafts. If you guys are curious about that, I will put the link to these straps in my description box, and along with a link to BeebeeCrafts in my description box. So with that, I did get all of these, and I will put on the screen the cost of these because I don't have it pulled up. But yeah, that's kind of a cute little thing. Cute little purse strap, and you can make it any size that you want. Very nice. All right, BeebeeCrafts. So, is it BeebeeCrafts? Yes, BeebeeCrafts with an S. Who won the giveaway? So this was the giveaway right here. And it was for this little kit. It was for the lashes. And it was for the lash adhesive, the lash glue. And it was for this translucent powder right here. So that was my little giveaway. So let's see if you are selected for this giveaway. Today is Tuesday, October 10th. If I don't hear back from you, say Friday night before I go to bed, I will have to select another winner. Okay, so it's Tuesday. I think Tuesday through Friday is a long time to wander back to my channel and figure out if you won. So hopefully you will find out if you won and contact me. Carol Gardner, by the way, I still need your address, okay? I still need your address for the last giveaway. I heard back from Carol, so she knows that she won my last giveaway, but I have not gotten your address yet if you're watching this. All right, so YouTube, and who Ice Cream Beauty they have nothing to do with this giveaway at all. This was just me giving back to you some items that I know I would not use. So let's see who won. If you use the word lashes in the comments, your name is in here. So hopefully you didn't just comment saying, wow, those lashes are long, and didn't really want them, because if you use the word lashes, that was the secret word. Your name's in here. All right. So let's see who won. You have to be in the United States. It's another for sure thing. And once this gets into the mail, I have nothing to do with this. If it gets lost or stolen or anything, which has never happened, but you know, never know. All right. Who is it? Trish Pranger. Trish Pranger, you have won my Ice Cream Beauty giveaway. So contact me by Friday before I go to bed, about 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do live in Illinois, so Illinois time. And Trish, you have to live in the United States. This is a new name for me, a new subscriber, I believe. And so hopefully you'll get back to me. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Again, the purse straps will be in my description box in case you want to go check them out. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe. My analytics say that most of the people that watch me are not even subscribed. Please, it helps me. And let's see, comment. Yes, and just say congratulations to the winner. Don't say congratulations, Trish, because I want people to watch the whole video. All right. Thank you, everyone. Bye.